Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Gimp in 2025. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I'm going to start here by simply typing Gimp. Now you want to make sure you go to the first site here, which should be gimp.org. Click on it. And here as you can see, we have the download button with the latest version, which at the time of this recording is 3.0.6. So you can go ahead and click on it. Now first of all, here you can choose between Linux, Mac and Microsoft. Now of course it's already selected on Microsoft Windows here. Then if you go down here, to give you three main options, so you can do it via BitTorrent. You can just download it directly here from the site right now, or actually on the Microsoft Store. You can download it there. Now if you actually scroll down, you can also go to some older versions of Gimp if you want to. You just have to click right here. Now I am actually just gonna go ahead and do the Microsoft Store here. Click on Open Microsoft Store and simply click on Get. And so it's downloading and installing. Okay, once it's done, you can actually click open and minimize this. And here as you can see, there's a welcome window, so you can actually personalize here as well. Some colors, scales and sizes. Start creating a project, but you can also just close this. It's just a little introduction. Now in my upcoming video, I'll actually go over how to use Gimp. So I'm actually going to do a beginner tutorial on Gimp, showing you all the different tools, settings, and actually how to make a thumbnail as well. So that you have all of the basics in order to use the software. So if you want to check that out, you can go ahead in the upper right corner. But anyways guys, that's how you actually download and install Gimp on your computer. Hope it helped. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, also really nice. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.